Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select basic features in the settings on the Windy application, meaning that these are mainly the units of measurements concerning wind, temperature, rain, and so on. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the settings icon that you can see in the right side of the screen, and that's the third option. Now you should tap on settings, which is the second option in this section. And as you can see, there is a bunch of features that you can select, such as wind. Here you should select the unit of measurement, temperature, rain, waves, snow, pressure, altitude, elevation, distance, weather, radar, satellite. So tap on the relevant one that you use, and after that, if you scroll down, you can also select the animation of wind, such as normal, high, or intensive, the time format such as 24 or 12 hours. So tap on the relevant one that you prefer, and basically that's pretty much it for this video. Go back to this section whenever you feel that you want to change these units of measurement. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.